Welcome back everybody. Well, today I have got 10 awesome trucks for you guys to look at. 8 of these are from the Hot Wheels Hot Trucks for 2018, and the other 2 are from the Hot Wheels Speed Graphics series. So I'm actually breaking these all out of the cards for the first time. These were all on cards, so I hope you enjoy them. What I'm going to be doing them is in twos. So most of these you'll find the same truck, just different colour schemes for the same truck. So start off tonight, we have got the incredibly nice K&N Filters 2015 Ford F-150 and K&N filter livery. Very nice truck in white, beautiful black wheels. Very cool looking truck this. Nice chrome front, as you can see. Looks really nice with those tampos, and colour scheme looks great. So that's the first one, and while that's spinning around, you'll hear me opening up another one. So this is the same casting. The only difference being here is this will actually be the blue version. So, and just check that out. That is very, very cool. Nice metallic electric blue. Really nice graphics on it. Beautiful wheels on this one with those sort of copper rim detail on there. Same kind of detail with the back tail lights and chrome front. That is a very, very cool looking truck indeed. So that's the second one. Next up, we're going to go into the Hot Wheels 2018 Hot Trucks. And the first one of these will be the Dodge Ram 1500. I've got 2 of these, again in 2 different colours. The first one is going to be the red version, which is coming up right about now. This is a bit of a beast. This one's a bit of a monster. Let's check that out. So I might just have to zoom out a bit on that one. Geez, a bit of a beast. So that's the Skyjacker suspension Dodge 1500 Ram. And that is awesome. Really nice paint job. Very, very nice truck. A little bit disappointed they didn't do a bit more front grille detail maybe. No tail lights or anything on it. It's got some pretty neat wheels on it. Lovely graphics, really great graphics on these trucks. So that's the first one, and this is the second colour. This truck was number 5 out of 10 in the Hot Trucks range. Number 5. This is also number 5, but this one I think is a absolutely stunning colour scheme. That is just dynamite. What, look at that. That is fantastic. Black, grey, sort of burnt orange, copper, great wheels. Man, that is just one amazing looking truck. Skyjacker suspension, Dodge 1500 Ram. That is very cool indeed. So next up, from the Hot Wheels Hot Trucks, I've got the same truck again, but in 2 different colours. This is the 2017 Ford F-150 Raptor. And I'll just break this one out of the box. Okay. Breaking it out. 2 colours on this one also. First one is the yellow version with the red and black. That is pretty cool. That's a real nice looking truck. A little bit smaller than the last one, which was a bit of a beast, but that's real nice. Nice big Ford emblazoned on the tailgate there. That is some lovely graphics on these trucks. I've only just really started getting into these pickups and trucks. I wasn't really a big fan of them. I've never really been a fan of them, but in the last year or so, I've changed my mind. I've just started to pick up a few more of them, and then I saw a couple of amazing looking ones with different graphics, and I thought, man, I'm missing out. I gotta get me some of these. So that's the first one of those. And here's the alternate colour. Same truck again. Only difference with this one is obviously the colour scheme. And here it comes. This is the white and orange and black version. And I think I like that one a little bit more than the yellow. Just a little bit. The wheels on that one with those sort of chrome detail in the wheels. That is very, very cool indeed. That is one awesome truck. Just zoom in a bit so you can get a better look at it. Very, very nice indeed. That's great. That's great. So, that's the second colour of that model. And next up, we've got the 2017 Jeep Wrangler, and we've got two colours of that. Again, from the 2018 Hot Wheels Hot Truck series. This next one is number 8 of 10. And I think you guys should enjoy this. This is a real nice truck, this one. The one that's on the turntable at the moment is number 6 of 10. So here's number 8 of 10, the Jeep Wrangler in red. Check that out. That is fantastic. That's a real off-road machine right there. That is very cool. I have a Jeep myself and I'm a big Jeep fan. So big fan of these. So check that out. It's got some great wheels. It's got some fantastic red paint job. Really cool. Nice differentiation of colour on the wheel arches. Spare wheel on the back there. Black louvers on the back window. Nice little headlights there. That is awesome. That is very cool. And the next version of that coming right up, being broken out of the packet as we speak. Same truck again, same Jeep Wrangler, this time in green, metallic green. And that is exceptionally cool. Different wheels, not as chrome, a little bit more sort of grey, dark grey, sort of gunmetal grey. Same accents on the wheel arches, but that green is pretty spectacular. That is very cool indeed. So that's the Jeep Wrangler, and the last two out of my 10 car selection tonight. These are both different models, so they're not the same model in two different colours, but they're actually number 9 of 10 and number 10 of 10. And I'm going to do 10 of 10 first because I want to save 9 of 10 till last. I quite like it. So this is the 2019 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss LT. Now I'm sure that every one of these Hot Trucks models is available in two colours. I haven't seen all of them in two colours, and these are the only ones I've managed to pick up so far this year. So there it is. Check that out. That is a funky looking truck. That pretty plain colour scheme, not covered in graphics, but it is beautiful, beautiful. Dark red, sort of burgundy red, black tinted windows. Big monster wheels, nice chrome details on them. That is very, very cool indeed. So that's another great truck. That's another great truck. And to finish off tonight, the last one, we're going to be looking at this one. When I first saw this, I wasn't quite sure, but it's an 86 Dodge D100. Sort of a desert racer, kind of Baja kind of feel to it. But the more I look at this, my daughter actually bought me this, and the more I look at it, man, the more I really like it. This is a very nice truck indeed. The wheels on it are just amazing. Check that out. That is very, very cool. Fantastic accents on it. The colour scheme's great. The wheels are really good. Love all the graphics and tempos on it. That is very, very cool. So that's a little bit of a foray for you guys out there in Hot Wheels land to have a wee peek into just 10 trucks that I've picked out of my box today. I've probably got another 100 or so stashed away in there, but I thought, why not? Let's just crack a few of these open. Let's break them free out of their packets. So I hope you enjoyed that, guys. As much as I do making the videos, I really enjoy sharing this with you. Love your comments and your feedback. Please subscribe, like my video, hit the notifications button. That'd be awesome. And I will have to think of something else to post next time round. I've still got a few trucks to go, but as I say, I've just been looking at my collection of bone shakers. I didn't realise I had so many. So I might even have to break some of that out of the packet as well and let you guys have a look at that. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a fantastic day, and we will see you on the next one. Cheers.